What are people really grateful for these days? Their family, their friends, the car they got, or maybe the amount of Instagram followers?
Yeah, one of the things Adam, so the project leader of e-NABLE, told me was they have all different kinds of people receiving these devices.
But some of the things that we should be really grateful for, but we never think about, is that we can breathe, talk, move, and grip. Many people are not able to do what we all take for granted every day.
With some, it's just a birth defect, but one of the craziest stories was that a woman was a social leader in an outside town and got under the skin of the wrong people. So the bad guys came and just chopped her arm off with a machete.
Should we now feel bad for those people? Or should we take our knowledge of the latest technology to serve those people so they can get their mobility back, or even more importantly, their self-confidence? Welcome to How to Expat. My name is Tasha.
My name is Sam, and we found a really cool project here in Medellin which combines the knowledge we have about technology, the latest technology, with helping people, which is a thing that we very much like, or that touches our hearts, especially here in Medellin, people that want to give back to the community. And today we want to talk about the amazing project e-NABLE Medellin does with their project manager or leader Adam. And we want to explain you what they do, for who they do it, and why they do it. So what exactly does e-NABLE Medellin do? So e-NABLE Medellin has an office in Poblado, and they have 3 printers there. So the 3D printers, if you don't know, you can print more or less whatever you want. And the idea of e-NABLE Medellin is to give prosthetics to people that need them, let's say. But the usual issue was that the prosthetics was a couple of $1,000, and nobody in Colombia can really afford that, not even with an NGO. And they came up with the idea of supplying these 3D printed prosthetics, which they can produce way cheaper than traditional medical equipment. So that's what they do in Poblado here in Medellin, with the help of international people, so designers from abroad. I think one guy lives in New Zealand, and entrepreneurs and people here in Medellin, as well as volunteers that come here to Medellin too.
Who gets those prosthetics? For example, people with a birth defect, or people who used to serve in the military, or whatever the cause was to lose their limbs. Like e-NABLE is helping all of those people to get a better quality of life. So last time we had the great opportunity to meet Javier, who just got his prosthetics. He was there for the fitting and take the prosthetic final with him. So we made an interview with him, and this is what you're going to see right now.
¿Cómo te llamas y de dónde vienes?
Javier Usuga Gaviria, vengo de Urabá.
Ah, listo. ¿Y qué está planeando hacer con la mano? ¿Es como para comer, para trabajar o cualquier cosa?
Pues la ambición mía principalmente con esta mano es aprender a ver cómo cojo la cabrilla del carro, porque tengo un carrito que ahorita con la recuperación, con el apoyo que nos han dado, pues me conseguí un wheel, entonces siempre la mano la necesito ahí sea para engrampar la cabrilla y sí, uno se va adaptando y todo eso.
Excelente, sí. So it was really cool to meet Javier and to see firsthand how he got the prosthetics. So that was really cool. He took a long way on himself to come here to Medellin. It took him around 6 or 7 hours from where he lived. It was very cool to see that happening. So why does e-NABLE Medellin do that? So one of the logical things, of course, is they get kind of 2 hands so they can grip stuff better, eat, and work with the hand and different things like that. But what is more important even than that is just the self-esteem that people get back with that. So even especially kids, like when kids get those prosthetics, they sometimes have it with, I don't know, Aquaman or Superman, Iron Man.
Yeah,
exactly.
They're really proud of it.
Exactly. And first they're kind of left out in their communities, and as soon as they have this hand, this assisting device, how they call it, they integrate better. They're in the spotlight, let's say at school or things like that. So this is really self-esteem that people get back through this device is really amazing. And yeah, so how can you help enable Medellin, the whole project here in Medellin? Is through 3 ways. First of all, of course, spread the message. So if you want, share this video, share the website, and share the GoFundMe. And the second thing is, of course, donate. Link will be in the description down below. No matter what you can give, like if it's $50, $1, or $1,000, it does not really matter. Like the prosthetic costs not a lot of money, so everything you can spend there will enable a person here to get a hand and raise his quality of life here in Medellin, or in Colombia in general. And the third thing, which I think is very, very cool, they offer volunteering options. So you can go there, help them with, I don't know, marketing, with putting the devices together.
Whatever knowledge you have.
Exactly, whatever knowledge you have, you can bring it there too. The link for this volunteering will also be in the description down below. So if you're an expat in Medellin, they're always looking for long-term volunteers there. So yeah, we will keep working together with Adam and the whole team of e-NABLE Medellin. And yeah, that was pretty much it. As I said, all the links are in the description down below. We would be happy if you, however you can, sharing, donating or volunteering, would support the project of e-NABLE Medellin.